So guys, mas madali na mag-apply ng Korean visa starting February 2026. Now, unang-una, we nave na yung required na 3 months of bank statements. So guys, right now, hindi na natin kailangan ng bank statement na may 3 months, di ba, worth of statements or yung account natin sa bangko. Now, for students, bongga rin to. Kasi guys, dati, ang kailangan mo dyan is original school certificate plus a copy of your student ID. Now, either the school certificate or a copy of your student ID may be submitted na lang. So guys, di ba, bonggang-bongga student ID, scan mo na lang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-request ng school certificate. Kasi ang hirap mag-request ng original school certificate, di ba? Now, also, for mga families, di ba, multiple applicants, di ba dati if ever kailangan mo ng mga invitation letter, family relationship documents, or yung mga company-related documents, lahat yan isa-isa ina-applyan mo or isa-isa kailangan may copy yung bawat aplikante. Ngayon, guys, kailangan na lang one copy, tapos pwede na siya i-apply sabay-sabay. So, perfect to for mga families, di ba, or kung office kayo, lahat kayo iisa lang yung document, tapos sabay-sabay kayo mag-apply, at least now, one copy na lang kailangan. Now, especially for employment-related documents, guys, bongga to kasi ang dami natin mga tanong na nakukuha na ganito. 'Di ba? Explanation letter will now be waived in cases where there is no landline number indicated or when it is issued with an electronic signature. Basta, ang importante dito, dapat may reachable contact information, either email address or mobile phone number is provided. Then, the document will be accepted na. So guys, 'di ba, ang kagandahan dito with KVAC natin, which is 'di ba the agency that applies or that helps us with our Korean visa, mas madali na yung mga requirements natin, mas pinadali na because of course, they want us to go to Korea rin as well. So guys, diba ang bongga dito? Because at the end of the day, they want us to go to Korea and it's easier for us now to apply for our Korean visa. Now, syempre importante, a final reminder dito, guys, make sure that all of our documents are syempre truthful, unless yung pagka-fill out rin natin naman, fill up ng mga forms rin natin, dapat kompleto rin siya lahat. Now, best rule of thumb, syempre mag-apply tayo 3 to 6 months before you're going to go to your planned trip sa Korea mo para at least you have enough time to apply at hindi tayo nagagahol sa oras.